In today's fast-paced work environment, choosing the right tools to manage projects, tasks, and information can make or break a team's efficiency. Two platforms that frequently come up in discussions about productivity and collaboration are ClickUp and Notion. Both are incredibly powerful and versatile, but they approach the challenges of work management from distinctly different angles. As a project management expert, I often get asked, what exactly is the difference between ClickUp and Notion? While both aim to centralize your work, understanding their core philosophies and feature sets is crucial to determining which one aligns best with your specific needs. Let's break down their key distinctions. Core philosophy, the task manager versus the digital workspace. The most fundamental difference between ClickUp and Notion lies in their core philosophy and what they were primarily built to do. ClickUp is first and foremost a robust, feature-rich project management and task management platform. Its DNA is built around getting tasks done, tracking progress, and managing complex projects with a clear focus on deadlines, assignments, and reporting. Think of it as a highly customizable project management engine that can adapt to almost any methodology: Agile, Scrum, Kanban, Waterfall, you name it. Its strength lies in its ability to break down projects into manageable tasks, assign them, track their status through various workflows, and provide a comprehensive overview of progress. Notion, on the other hand, is a flexible, customizable digital workspace or all-in-one workspace. It's less about prescriptive task management and more about providing a blank canvas for you to build your own interconnected systems. Notion is a powerful note-taking tool, a database builder, a document creator, and a light project manager rolled into one. Its strength is its incredible versatility and the ability to create highly interconnected databases and pages that serve as a single source of truth for information, rather than strictly focusing on task completion. Key feature comparisons, where they diverge. Let's dive into some specific areas where their differences become more apparent. Task management and project views. ClickUp. This is where ClickUp truly shines. It offers an unparalleled array of views for tasks and projects. List, board, Kanban, calendar, Gantt, for timelines, table, box, for resource allocation, workload, and more. It has powerful features like dependencies, recurring tasks, subtasks within subtasks, and assigned comments. If your primary need is granular task management, tracking progress through various stages, and robust reporting on project health, ClickUp is designed for that. Notion. While Notion can manage tasks, it does so through its database functionality. You can create a database of tasks and view it as a table, board, calendar, or gallery. It's highly flexible, but it doesn't offer the same depth of project management-specific features as ClickUp, like native Gantt charts with dependencies or advanced workload management. You'll often have to build these functionalities yourself using Notion's database properties and relations. Customization and flexibility. ClickUp offers extensive customization within its project management framework. You can customize statuses, add custom fields, text, numbers, drop-downs, etc., create automation rules, and tailor views to your heart's content. However, the core structure remains geared towards tasks and projects. Notion. This is Notion's superpower. It's a truly blank slate. You can build almost anything you can imagine: a personal wiki, a CRM, a content calendar, a knowledge base, or a lightweight project tracker. Its block-based editor allows for incredible freedom in how you organize information. If you prefer to build your own systems from the ground up and value extreme versatility in how you structure your information, Notion is a strong contender. Documentation and knowledge base. ClickUp offers docs and wikis within its hierarchy, allowing you to create rich text documents associated with tasks, projects, or spaces. It's good for project-specific documentation, meeting notes, or standard operating procedures directly tied to your work. Notion. This is where Notion truly excels as a knowledge management tool. Its page-based structure and ability to link pages endlessly make it an ideal platform for building comprehensive wikis, company handbooks, SOPs, and vast interconnected knowledge bases. If your team frequently needs to create and reference extensive documentation, Notion is arguably superior in this aspect. Automation and integrations. ClickUp has built-in automation rules that can trigger actions based on status changes, due dates, and more. It also boasts a vast array of native integrations with other tools, e.g., Slack, GitHub, Salesforce, to streamline workflows. Notion offers more limited native automation compared to ClickUp. Its automation capabilities are more focused on internal database triggers. For external integrations, you often need to rely on third-party tools like Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, to connect it with other software. Learning curve. ClickUp can have a steeper learning curve initially due to its sheer number of features and customization options. It might feel overwhelming at first, but once you understand its hierarchy and core functionalities, it becomes incredibly powerful. Notion. While its interface is clean, mastering Notion's database properties, relations, and advanced block functionalities can also take time. The learning curve here is about understanding its building blocks and how to assemble them to create your desired system, rather than navigating predefined features. Who is each best for? Choose ClickUp if your primary need is robust project and task management with detailed tracking, reporting, and various project views. Gantt charts are crucial for you. You manage complex projects with many dependencies, subtasks, and team members. You need powerful, out-of-the-box automation to streamline your workflows. You prefer a tool that guides you with structured project management features rather than requiring you to build everything from scratch. Choose Notion if you need a highly flexible, customizable digital workspace to manage information beyond just tasks, including notes, wikis, databases, and more. You want to build your own interconnected systems for knowledge management and light project tracking. You value a clean, minimalist interface that can be tailored to your exact aesthetic and organizational preferences. You are comfortable with a more DIY approach to setting up your workflows and information architecture.